Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Feminine Energy, y'all already see the title. We are talking about dark feminine energy, how to seduce that person, how to seduce that masculine energy. We are talking all about it in today's episode 3. So if you have not seen my masculine to feminine energy, which is episode 1, and then episode 2, we are talking all about being in our feminine energy, and I gave you all 4 micro habits to help you step more into your feminine energy. And in today's episode 3, y'all, we are talking all about dark feminine energy, how to seduce and how to get what you want with using what you got, so that's what we're going to talk about today. So one of the first things that I like to do, because y'all know these are pretty much feminine energy videos about myself and my feminine journey and things that I've done to help me along the along the way to use my feminine energy, girl, to get what I want. But when it comes to dark feminine energy, it's nothing scary, at least in my eyes, or anything like that. You're pretty much using your mannerisms, the eye contact, things like that to intrigue and allure and to attract those things to you versus you going out chasing them, right? So one of the things that I did like to get my wife, and I'm not really a flirting person. I'm a Virgo, y'all, so my flirting is kind of crazy. But one of the things that we do, to seduce is flirt. Whether if it's batting your eyes, making that eye contact, saying certain things, to flirt and things like that. It's definitely a form of seduction. And I don't know if women nowadays are really flirting, and I'm always watching those funny videos on TikTok, and girl, they're always like, make eye contact, be friendly, all of these things. And I'm like, wait, women out here not making eye contact and not being friendly? So girl, we're gonna use that dark feminine energy to, attract that energy, attract that man, attract that masculine energy that you want to come towards you. Okay, that's what we're gonna talk about today. So another thing that you can do, which I love to do, is smell good. Okay. It's something about certain perfumes, certain aromas, certain scents that just gets that masculine energy going. You ever been in like a grocery store and you just got like this really nice perfume and you walk past someone and they're like, oh my God, you smell so good. Most of the time, right, compliments come from women because they just they just feel comfortable with coming and approaching us saying, girl, you smell good. But can you imagine that guy, that masculine person, that masculine energy that's walking past you and they're like, she smell good. What perfume would that be for you? I know for me, one of my faves is Valentino. It's soft, it's sweet, but it's something still really womanly, sophisticated about it. And I love that. Anytime I'm like dressed up, really pretty, and I want to just like allure, I love Valentino. And I'm more along the dominant line when it comes to fragrances. I'm not really like a super fruity, florally type person, but baby, that Valentino is one of my faves. So ladies, definitely check that out. Check out the Valentino. Another one, y'all, which surprisingly is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I love that scent. It's something about it that's I think because my body chemistry, once it mixed with my chemistry, it just allures and it smells so amazing, like on my body, and just like I could be getting in an Uber, they're gonna say something about it. So find that scent that works for you. Maybe go to the fragrance counter at Macy's or Sephora, or maybe you have a friend that make body oils or somewhere like that. Y'all know all the beauty supplies have oils. So find those oils, that really work with you, that works with your body chemistry. See what, stays on you the longest, because all of us are different, right? All of our body chemistries are different. So I don't want to recommend something to y'all and then maybe it doesn't smell as good on you. So definitely try out different scents, see what works for you, see what's gonna bring that attraction, that girl, you smell good, those are the ones that you want to wear all the time. Okay, so once you have that perfume on, right, and you out there and you see this guy and he kind of looks at you, but you're not quite sure, maybe he just don't know if you have a man. Maybe he think you just out for the day, maybe he thinks something else when really you just want homeboy to come over. So how do you seduce him, right? How do you use your dark feminine energy to get what you want? So what I would do, okay, y'all know I'm a married woman, But what I would do, if it was me, okay, to use my dark feminine energy, if it was me, I would definitely make the eye contact, you know, give those the little blush, a little smile a little bit. Maybe ask a question, girl, about something. It does not even matter. Make it up. Ask a question. You know, use your feminine, dainty mannerisms, you know, when you ask it. To allure him, to let him know that you are inviting, to let him know that you are friendly, because, you know, the masculine energy, baby, they want a sweet, friendly woman. However, that doesn't mean that you can't use your dark feminine energy to seduce and allure in, right? Because we don't chase, we attract. So those are the things that's going to help you attract and seduce, definitely, baby, and smell good. If y'all didn't go check out, if you all haven't checked out my episode 2 about appearance and attire, then definitely go check that out. But we're going to talk about that a little bit as well. Another thing that I feel like, hold on y'all, because I have a note right here, is speech. Speech, 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 how you talk, right? Okay, so for instance, you at the grocery store, around the way girl, just to, you know, she just, you know, she seeing him, she like, what's up? He like, how you doing? I'm good. I mean, you got a man? No, I ain't got a man. He like, oh, okay, well, you know, you have a good day. Let's try that again. How you doing? Hey, how you doing? You got a man? No, I don't have a man. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure, that's cool. You know, be friendly, alluring, seduce. Use that dark feminine energy, girl. We all have it. We all have it. I'm not the only person with it, honey, and I still seduce. My wife, after 10 years together, I still be seducing. Okay, I seduce. I use what I got to get what I want. Us females, we have that pleasure of being able to do that, right? To be able to go and tap into that energy, to be able to use it to get what you want. And it has nothing to do with pretty privilege, okay? Let's not get that twisted with pretty privilege, because pretty is the outside thing, you know. It's inner beauty is definitely gonna help you do, you know, the things that you want to show out on the outside. So if you have, you know, a really good heart, if you have the outside appearance, if you use what you got to get what you want, baby, there's no way you're not going to be able to get it. Okay, trust me, you're not going to be able to stray away from that. Another thing that we have, so have y'all heard on TikTok how they're talking about the drizzle, the sprinkle? It's this whole movement going on right now, right? The guys are saying, you know, I want you to pay, I want you to do this, I want you to do that. And the women are like, wait, you must be a soft, in your soft guy era too hard, you know, da. Well, I think it's more so like them just kind of showing some of the ladies, not me, because we all don't think like that, right? We do not all think like that. But sometimes, lady, it's okay to spoil the masculine person in your life, okay? Spoil them a little bit, sis. It's okay. Because guess what? What you don't do, honey, another woman will, girl. You already know the saying. So stop acting like you don't want that person. Girl, do what you got to do to keep them there. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? I'm giving you the tools, sis, okay? I'm giving you the tools, sis, okay? So, ladies, listen. When you tap into your dark feminine energy, and like, let's say you're in a relationship and the person says, you know, maybe if you were a little sweeter, you could get a little bit more. And you don't get sweeter? Well, sweetie, you're just going to continue to end up with less. I'm not saying, like I said, be this, oh, no, girl, tap into that dark feminine energy. You know, we all know what to do, right? You find that sexy negligee, girl, that sexy lingerie. You go, you take your shower, you put it on, you do your hair, you make yourself beautiful, baby. That's dark feminine energy. And whatever it is, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it, okay? This is how you know dark feminine energy works, okay? Have you guys, I know you have, seen all of the music videos. We got Cardi B, Meg Thee Stallion, Beyonce, Nicki Minaj. What do these ladies do? They use their dark feminine seductive side to allure and attract. It's the same thing that you can do in a relationship. I'm not saying do it at work, but dark feminine energy definitely plays in the workplace as well. And so why can't you do it, right? Why can't you use what you got to get what you want as well? And it's just tapping into that feminine energy and tweaking it a little bit to, you know, allure, attract, and seduce and bring them in. So you do that with your mannerisms. You know, you want to be inviting. You know, I know we love the resting face. We love that face, but you know, maybe your face, you want to keep it soft. Cause look at my face when I keep it soft versus just a mean mug. This is my mean mug, y'all. Let me show y'all my mean mug. Okay, that's my mean mug. Do I look friendly? Hi, if I'm sitting like this and I'm like, do I look friendly? No, but if I sit up straight, okay, shoulders back, and I soften, I'm not smiling, but you know, I have a very inviting face. Let me show y'all what that looks like. And then if you're flirting with your eyes, you know what they look like? You deepen it. You make those cheekbones a little higher, okay, sis? You make them a little, now I know I have high cheekbones, but I'm just saying, I'm giving y'all, I told y'all the tips that I do that works for me, okay? So I hope it works for you as well, sis. I want all of us to be able to seduce, honey, and be able to allure, attract the things that you want into your life, whether if it's a relationship, whether if it's money. Use that dark feminine energy, use your soft feminine energy, tap into that, you know, do those things to romanticize your life as well. You know, all of it plays a major part, okay? And seducing is, dark feminine energy is nothing but how to seduce. Okay, and all of us seduce differently because we are all different women, of course, right? So I'm not saying use the tips that I am providing. I'm just saying maybe there's something in those that maybe will help you tap into your dark feminine energy, honey, so that you too can learn how to seduce, okay? But y'all, so the next video, right, that we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and hop out of the dark feminine energy because like I said, it's all about seduction. It's all about using what you got to get what you want. It's all about being alluring. All of those things definitely go with episode 1 and 2 that I already put out. So if you have not seen those, then definitely go back and look at episode 1 and 2. Make sure you say, hey girl, hey in those comments, baby, so I know you came from episode 3. But you guys will see how we have led up to this point. Now, after that, we're going to go ahead in episode 4 and we're going to tap a little bit more, okay, and to dive into when we are in that feminine energy, what is it like being a feminine woman in a relationship, maybe what a feminine woman would provide to her partner, her masculine provider. I love the sound of that, honey, a masculine provider. Yes, honey, a masculine provider. Take it on. Okay, no, but that's what episode 4 is going to be about. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video. If you liked it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how does working and tapping into your dark feminine energy work for you, because baby, maybe you might have some tips and tricks that I might be able to use myself. So until next time, until episode 4, which is going to come out on Sunday. So be ready. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And then the way that we are raised, a lot of the music that we listen to and everything like that, you know, from the independent woman, you know, I love her, she got her own, all of these different songs, you know, where the woman, she just out there getting the bag. And it's never, you know, too many songs that we really cherish, you know, where she's really out there, she's loving, she's, you know, being submissive. You don't hear music like that. You know, you have to dig. You got to go old school, baby, if you want to hear about how a woman was being treated. Come in there, when you see her, you say, wow, who's that girl? You know, take into consideration, this is the thing, is it feminine and cute or feminine and sexy? Okay, because we are grown women. We want feminine and sexy, but maybe a little bit of, maybe some skin, but you know, we're not showing much, you know, we're not showing anything. We're showing some skin, but you know, it's still feminine, it's still, you know, conservative, it's still